Welcome! This is a video for the KSGovJobs administration site. We'll continue covering more of the functions on the left side menu, specifically vacancies. There are two functions under vacancies: create vacancy and vacancies, which is a list of existing vacancies. To create a vacancy, you can either click the link from the left side menu or click the Create Vacancy button within the vacancies list. The vacancy that is created here will be visible on the user-facing website. When I refer to user-facing website, that's the website where a job seeker searches for jobs and can apply for them. There are two parts of a vacancy: detail information and job description. The fields with asterisks are required. Vacancy number is a short, free-form text field to identify this vacancy. The job title is a free-form text field to name this vacancy. The open date is the date this vacancy is opened. It appears on the user-facing website and is used in the search. Employment type is either full-time or part-time and is used in the search on the user-facing website. The address, city, state, and zip must be geolocatable so that the search by distance on the user-facing website will work. For instance, 110 Main would need to be 110 South Main to be geolocatable. There are different applications available on the web to verify the geolocation of an address. Status needs to be active for the vacancy to be included in the search on the user-facing website. This group of checkboxes are the categories that this vacancy falls in. This is used for the search by categories on the user-facing website. Here's the job description area. I have copied from a Microsoft document and am pasting. As you see, there's lots of junk at the beginning that needs to be highlighted and deleted. Be sure to click Save and Continue for this vacancy to be added to the database. The Vacancy Supplemental Section screen displays. You can either select one from here and click Save, or you can click the Copy Supplemental Sections from Application Templates button or the Copy Supplemental Sections from Vacancy button. If you click on the Copy Supplemental Sections from Application Templates button, the screen displays with application templates that were created in the Partner Admin section. You need to be pretty familiar with what supplemental sections exist in a template. We know that the Health Department template has references and certification supplemental sections from when we built it in a previous video. That's what we want for this vacancy. Click the Save button to apply the supplemental sections included in the Health application template for this vacancy. If we look at the supplemental sections, you'll see that certification and references are really the supplemental sections included. I am going to reset the supplemental sections on the vacancy we just created so I can demonstrate the Copy Supplemental Sections from Vacancy. Nothing is selected. If you have an existing vacancy that has the supplemental sections you want included, click on the Copy Supplemental Sections from Vacancy button. The vacancy list displays. Use the search feature to find the vacancy you want to copy. The Include Inactive checkbox may need to be checked if the vacancy has been inactivated. Click the Copy Supplemental section to the right of the vacancy. The supplemental sections from the vacancy have now been selected for this vacancy. Click the Save button to retain the selected sections. You see that the certification and reference sections are now applicable to this vacancy. Click the Clear button to open the list of all active vacancies. There is search criteria at the top. You can search by job title, open date begin, open date end, and include inactive vacancies. We saw this used in the last demonstration. Each vacancy in the vacancy list has a number of line item action buttons. Edit shows you the vacancy and its job description. This is in an edit mode. You can change anything. Be sure to click Save to retain your changes. If you need to email applicants for a vacancy, click the Email Applicants button next to the vacancy. Fill in the subject field and add text to the body of the email. You can unselect all applicants or select individual applicants to email. Click the Send Email button. The Supplemental Sections button will list what supplemental sections will be included in this vacancy. The Details button will show you the details of the vacancy, but in a read-only mode. The CSV button will download the applicant information to an Excel spreadsheet. The $Preview button displays sections of an application. The next short video will continue covering more of the functions on the left side menu.